Alright, we got a 2007 Honda Odyssey. This car is already diagnosed, but I'm going to show you what it was doing. So it came in as a crank no start. Actually, when the shop called me, it was a crank no start. You see that anti-theft light there? You see that check engine light on? Well, we have no communication with the scan tool. I'm not going to show you that, but it's not going to start here. So if we key it off, gonna disconnect this right here. And key it on, security light goes out. Starts right up.